Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Remini app on an iPhone. Let's get started. Remini is an app that helps you improve photo and video quality using AI. You can use it for free and it also has a paid version. Now take your iPhone and open the App Store on your phone. At the bottom of the App Store, search Remini. You will see a Remini AI photo enhancer in the search result. Tap on it. Now tap Get or the download button. If asked, confirm using Face ID or your Apple ID password. Wait for a few seconds while the app downloads and installs. Once the download is complete, tap Open, or you can go back to your iPhone home screen and tap the Remini app icon. When the app opens, you may be asked to sign in. You can sign in using Apple ID, Google, or email, and that's it. If a subscription page appears, just tap X at the top of your screen to continue using the free version. This is how you can easily download and start using the Remini app on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.